Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to be watching my little puppy taking a nap, snoring. She's hiding her little face to make it seem like it's dark outside. And she's all comfortable in this blanket, keeping her warm. Her cute little snores while she's sleeping. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Comment below if you ever listen to your puppy snoring while they're sleeping. She sounds so peaceful while she's sleeping. She's so tired. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.